So I'm on the way though. We're going to start a demo on the outside, then we'll do a separate video on the inside. So we've literally just put it in the workshop, we're just starting to get it ready to clean up. We're going to give it a full buff over and polish. When we see, so it's not fully clean yet, but I want to get these videos done and to you. Okay, so start here, wind mirrors, they fold in, same as all the Fiats and Peugeots. Obviously cab door, the bonnet release is on the opposite side on the door, so I'll show you that later on. Okay, then we've got the gas locker and the Gaslow filling point. So this has the advantage, it's got the Gaslow bottles in it which are refillable. So you can go to a fuel station that sells LPG and you can literally with a pump click it onto here and it will fill both bottles up really cheap. If you decide you don't want to use it, you could take them out and just simply put a calorie in instead, but they are brilliant, so very expensive. Anything we need to show you on these are the main on-off. So on the calories it's on the top, on this one they're on the side, it's the yellow ones. Clockwise is closed, anti-clockwise is open. Now what I recommend doing is leaving this as it is, so you can't really see that, but on the back of this white knob is a bit that sticks out. If that's left in the middle like so, it means it will work off both bottles. And what I recommend doing is only turning one bottle on, so for example only the left one. When that's empty, you then got a full one here on this side, so then you can turn that one off and then turn this one on to work off of this. So you've always got, so you know basically where you are with the gas and you've always got loads spare. When you refill, it will automatically refill them both anyway, so you don't have to worry about switching over for refilling. That's fully automatic. But also when you're driving, turn the yellow knobs off. Inside the van, there's some adapters I noticed for this as well. They're like these brass screw-in ones. So what that is, that's if you go to Europe, every country's got a different connector. You basically have to put in the relevant connector for the country. Simple as that. Okay, then we've got the whale point. This is for filling the fresh water tank. Now, to do that inside the van, we've got a choice. We've got the hose pipe connector, which simply you lift up, push in like this, lay it out, the other end connects to your hose to fill. If you're on a campsite and for example you're all rigged up, you don't want to move to the tap, what you could do is buy yourself a water container or a big bucket. You can then plug that in, and if you listen, it automatically starts whirling. Drop this into your tank of water. So for example, if you bought an aqua like this, you can put that with water and it will suck the water into your fresh water tank from here as well. So it's another nice option to save you having to move your van to get your water. So that's that one. We've then got the normal, your hookup point. This is where your mains lead goes. The trim and water heater cover, so when you're not using it, leave a cover on. When you want hot water, cover off. Simple as that. If you forget to take it off, it won't light on gas and it won't get over hot on electric. So we'll leave it off. We've then got the toilet flush. This is where you put the flush in for your toilet tank. And you can put some pink in there as well. And then you've got the cassette here where all the waste goes into, and this is what you put your blue chemical into. Now at the back, we've got the standard Fiamma bike rack for 2 bikes, with the top rails here. We've got rear corner steadies here and here. A bit of a luxury, most motorhomes don't have this. If you do put them down, you have to remember to put them back up before you drive off. The actual corner steady winder is in the side locker on the near side at the very bottom, which I'll show you in a minute. And this lever here, this is to drain the waste tank off. So you drive over an emptying point around here, you just get a handle, put it towards you, and that will dump the whole contents from the tank onto the floor or into a drain. Right, then on this side, we've got your handle, which you can also, when the door's shut, get across and lock it for more security. Electric step, which works off of a round button, just inside one push, and it does it. Fridge vents, so that's what you can see there. This gives you access underneath the bench sheet on this side, so it's got a decent sized locker in there. And this one down here we've got some driver ramps and the corner steady winder that I mentioned. Now, bonnet release. That is here. It's on the side of the dashboard on this model. So you literally just do that to release the bonnet. And the diesel. Diesel goes in just here, using the ignition key. So that's pretty much the outside. There's one last thing I just want to show you on the other side, which I forgot, and that's how to drain the freshwater tank. And that is located it's just here. So it's on a clip, so you can literally push it down onto the floor, twist it, and that will drain off the fresh water. Oh, one other thing, last but not least, it's got the wind out warning canopy on it. The winder's on the inside, which I'll show you on the interior video. It goes in the spot just here on the end. It's a little bit tricky on me because it's recessed, you have to put it at an angle. Wind it out, 2 legs, simple as that.